If you watched my first video on how to reset the maintenance light for the CHR and it didn't work, you probably want to try this one. So you have your car off, right? You put the key in and you open up the switch. Once it comes on, you press this button right here, the trip button, and you want to go to trip A. Once you have it there, you're supposed to reset this to 0. So the way you do it is that you're gonna hold this button down, and once you do that, trip A will be on 0. Now, once you have it like that, you're supposed to turn off the car, and now you are going to hold the trip button down and open the switch again. When you open the switch, now it's going to reset. And that's how you get the maintenance warning light out for the CHR.